Hello interns, today we are going to talk about LinkedIn job postings. So first of all, we need to open the app of LinkedIn. This is the LinkedIn app which you must have installed in your smartphone. Okay, so what do we have to do first of all? See in the bottom there are 5 pages like home, my network, post, notifications and jobs. You need to click on this jobs page over here. After clicking the jobs page, you can see the number of jobs posted by different company. On the upper hand side, you can see I am hiring, save jobs and career interest as the options. Now what you need to do is you need to click on I am hiring one. You can see there's nothing here, it's blank. It's just because we haven't updated any job post yet, or this can also happen because of a bug which is in my phone right now, but you will always see a notification or a job over here. Also you can see there is a create a job button in the bottom side of this page. You just need to click on create a job. This is just a normal information this page is trying to give us. You need to ignore this. Now you need to select a company. Since we have already used several job posts via LinkedIn, so Hub Nawab Enterprises is already showing here. If it's not showing, you can search it in the search bar. After clicking on Hub Nawab Enterprises, you need to click on create new job again. This is the panel which will open after clicking the create new job button. Now what you need to do is you need to type a job title first. Let's suppose now we will be hiring for affiliate manager. I'm preferring here affiliate marketing manager. By clicking on that, it will automatically be stabilized in job title. Then everything is done here already. Since I'm posting this for Lucknow region, it's already selected over there. And you can choose the employment type here by clicking on employment type. You can choose full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, other, volunteer, internship. I need a part-time one, so I will be clicking on part-time. Okay, then here it says job description, which is optional, but I recommend you guys to always post job descriptions as it clears your requirement for this profile to all the candidates who are viewing this vacancy. So we are going to type your responsibilities, or we can type here you will be responsible for. Then you need to actually write the responsibilities or the roles you want for that candidate. Complete monthly, like complete monthly, quarterly targets, market your niche. You can write anything. Like I have written these two for an example. Now you can write the skill set which you need for this job. So you will be writing like skills required and put a colon there and dash. Honesty, self-motivation. I'm writing here self-motivation because this is a sales profile. This is a sales and marketing profile. So self-motivation is you can say a necessary part of this profile. Okay. Candidates always need self-motivation in them in order to pursue a goal. Honesty, self-motivation. Then we can write energetic. After energetic, we can write time manager. We will be taking these 4 skills only right now. Okay. Now what you need to do is write down the location for which this profile, like I'll be writing remote, then in braces pan India. After this, I'll be writing number of vacancies. Like in this profile, I'll be hiring at least 50 candidates. I'll be mentioning that in number of vacancies. After this, you can mention experience required if you want an experienced professional. I don't want an experienced professional, so I'm writing like this only. Okay. You can also write locals preferred for nearby candidates. If you want to hire a local candidate in your city, in your region, okay, you can write that also, but I won't be writing that because I need candidates from pan India, from other states also. Okay, you can also write other requirements. Broadband connection required for the for this profile, okay, I'll be writing this because it is important to have a laptop and a broadband connection. Okay, after this what you need to do is you need to click on next on the upper side. Just next to create a job, there is an option as next. You need to click that. Okay, then this page will occur to share a post that I am hiring for a affiliate marketing manager. You don't have to click cross for this. Like people think that why will I be sharing on my profile or feed. This whole post or this whole job vacancy can be removed in the process of not sharing this post. So you just need to do is you need to post here by clicking on post. You need to click on post and it will be posted like a job to the candidates and can be seen or viewed by candidates who want to apply for this role, okay, for this profile. Okay, so by doing this you can easily post jobs on LinkedIn and get your candidates which you want, and the number of candidates may vary from time to time. If you want candidates on urgent basis, you should write your urgency or the type of requirement in the JD itself, so that the readers can see that this is a urgent job opening profile. If you have any questions, you can mail us at info@hubnawab.com or you can WhatsApp me also. Have a nice day. Thank you.